Do you guys ever have one of those days where you start a 5-minute job and then it turns into a 20-minute job, into a 4-hour job, and then before you know it, it's 2 weeks later and you're sitting there going, we got to get this thing back together? Well, to give you guys a little bit of perspective, I really intended on making a more in-depth video on what we did, but to give you guys a little bit of a summary with what this video is going to be about, I'm pretty much going to string together a few clips that I took during our time working on the combine. And I had intended to kind of do more of like an in-depth thing, talk about the combine more, but what really happened was we started putting everything back together and we realized that, oh, we had to do this first, so we had to take everything back apart. We put it back together, and then before you know it, we took everything back off like 2 or 3 times, and it turned into a lengthy process. So I could make a video on everything, but after a while it's just like, well, I already recorded us throwing this thing back in. So essentially what we've done was we replaced the clean grain auger boot at the bottom of the clean grain elevator. So what the combine does is the combine threshes the corn, and in the back of the combine there are these giant, essentially just shakers that shake the grain around, shake the corn, all the fodder, and throws it out the back. But the way that it's serrated allows for the corn to fall down into the bottom, and down in the bottom there's a what we call a clean grain auger that pushes the corn over to the side of the combine where the clean grain elevator will pick it up, and then it takes it up into the grain tank on the combine. And we really just wanted to replace the boot at the bottom of the clean grain elevator, but what we realized was to get that off, we had to take out the clean grain auger, which is underneath the combine, so we had to go underneath, pull that off. Well, it wasn't that easy. I mean, everything went apart pretty easily, but everything didn't go back together quite as well. So anyway, let's go ahead and watch this little bit of clips that I threw together. I have so much footage. When I put it all together, it's just I couldn't make a coherent video out of it just because of how many times we took things back apart. So let's go ahead and watch the video real quick. Take quick notice of how my beard grows throughout the video. The rest of how farms work. Welcome back to the rest of how farms work. Right now we're doing a bunch of work in the combine. This lower piece here is all sorts of tired. This is all worn out to basically paper thin. This piece here, you can see it is, well, basically you can see through it. So what we're doing right now, we're in the process of pulling this auger out to take this off the rest of the way, put that back in, and reduce the amount of potential headaches we're going to have going into the rest of the harvest. Seems how we're only like, what, 4% done? So it's a blast. Okay.
Well, that's hot.
Okay.
That light. Come down.
Yep.
Grab it.
Whoa.
Just a second. Let me get the gear off there.
Come on.
There you go. Take it right on out.
There.
It doesn't really look that bad, does it?
No. Okay. It's up in there.
Push it up in, and we're gonna shove it back in. There you go. Oh my gosh. Push. Screw it.
Which way?
In.
Yeah, it's not turning.
I got it started.
Okay.
I caught.
Okay. Push it back towards me. Good. Now we gotta get that cover on.
Yeah. You what?
Mucho gujo. This video took place over the course of about a week and a half, and it happened over that wet spell that we had where the driveway across from Travis's place had washed out. And we worked on it a little bit here and there. Basically, just so many things went wrong. We got the wrong part in, and we had to take that back and get a new one. We had to wait for that one to come in. And luckily, we got everything back together just in time to get harvesting. So expect on Sunday that we will be having a harvesting video. A little FYI, we will be doing a giveaway on Sunday's video. I got more hats in, so I'm going to resume doing giveaways. Keep an eye out at the end of Sunday's video. I'll tell you what you need to do to enter for a chance to win, and I'll announce it either the following Wednesday or that Sunday. I'm not totally sure yet, but if you comment within the first 24 hours on the video, you should have a pretty good chance of being entered. I'm probably going to take it. Probably by Tuesday, I'll know who the winner is. So with that, be sure to keep an eye out for Sunday's video. We'll be harvesting either corn or beans. And yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated with stuff that's going on around the farm. It's kind of been hard to get out there and video things because of all the rain that we've been getting. And now that we got the combine back together, we're hoping that we can get back out there and start harvesting. So with that, thank you for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.